Carpentry. 1. What is the primary purpose of a framing square in carpentry? A. Measuring angles. B. Checking for level. C. Marking straight lines. D. Ensuring square corners. Answer: DL. Ensuring square corners. 2. Which tool is commonly used for smoothing and shaping wood surfaces? A. Chisel. B. Mallet. C. Planer. D. Screwdriver. Answer: C. Planer. 3. What is the purpose of a coping saw in carpentry? A. Cutting curves and intricate patterns. B. Making straight cuts. C. Drilling holes. D. Screwdriver. Answer: A. Cutting curves and intricate patterns. 4. Which type of joint involves connecting to pieces of wood at a right angle using screws or nails? A. Dovetail joint. B. Lap joint. C. Butt joint. D. Mortise and tenon joint. Answer: C. Butt joint. 5. What is the function of a wood router in carpentry? A. Cutting precise angles. B. Creating decorative edges. C. Joining wood pieces together. D. Measuring lengths. Answer: B. Creating decorative edges. 6. Which type of saw is best suited for making curved cuts in wood? A. Cross-cut saw. Ritz saw. Jigsaw. D. Circular saw. Answer: C. Jigsaw. 7. What is the purpose of a combination square in carpentry? A. Measuring angles. B. Checking for level. C. Marking straight lines. D. Verifying square corners. Answer: A. Measuring angles. 8. In carpentry, what is the term for the process of joining two pieces of wood at a 45-degree angle? A. Mitering. B. Beveling. C. Dovetailing. D. Rabbiting. Answer: A. Mitering. 9. Which wood finish provides a glossy and protective layer on the surface? A. Stain. B. Varnish. C. Lacquer. D. Wax. Answer: C. Lacquer. 10. What is the purpose of a carpenter's pencil having a flat side? A. Easy identification. B. Comfortable grip. C. Prevents rolling. D. Marks precise lines. Answer: C. Prevents rolling. 11. What is the primary function of a plumb bob in carpentry? A. Measuring angles. B. Checking for level. C. Marking straight lines. D. Ensuring vertical alignment. D. Ensuring vertical alignment. 12. Which type of screwdriver is suitable for driving screws into wood? A. Flathead. B. Phillips. C. Torx. D. Allen. Answer A. Flathead. 13. What is the purpose of a coping foot on a jigsaw? A. Ensuring straight cuts. B. Creating beveled edges. C. Stabilizing the blade for curved cuts. D. Adding decorative patterns. Answer C. Stabilizing the blade for curved cuts. 14. In carpentry, what is the function of a dado joint? A. Connecting to pieces at a right angle. B. Reinforcing miter joints. C. Forming a groove to receive another piece. D. Joining to pieces with overlapping edges. Answer C. Forming a groove to receive another piece. 15. Which tool is commonly used to remove excess material and smooth surfaces in carpentry? A. Rasp. B. Coping saw. C. Spokeshave. D. Chisel. Answer A. Rasp. 16. What is the purpose of a biscuit joiner in carpentry? A. Cutting precise angles. B. Creating dovetail joints. C. Joining to pieces of wood with biscuits. D. Planing surfaces. Answer C. Joining to pieces of wood with biscuits. 17. What type of wood joint involves interlocking fingers for increased strength and stability? A. Dovetail joint. B. Lap joint. C. Mortise and tenon joint. D. Butt joint. Answer A. Dovetail joint. 18. Which wood finish enhances the natural color of wood without adding a glossy layer? A. Varnish. B. Stain. C. Lacquer. D. Shellac. Answer B. Stain. 19. What is the primary purpose of a moisture meter in carpentry? A. Measuring wood density. B. Checking for termite damage. C. Determining wood moisture content. D. Verifying joint strength. Answer C. Determining wood moisture content. 20. What is the function of a brad nailer in carpentry? A. Driving large nails. B. Securing crown molding. C. Joining boards at an angle. D. Installing screws. Answer B. Securing crown molding. 21. Which type of saw is best suited for making long, straight cuts along the grain of wood? A. Cross saw. B. Jigsaw. C. Circular saw. D. Coping saw. Answer C. Circular saw. 22. What is the purpose of a doweling jig in carpentry? A. Creating decorative edges. B. Joining to pieces with dowels. C. Cutting precise angles. D. Smoothing surfaces. Answer B. Joining to pieces with dowels. 23. In carpentry, what does the term curve refer to? A. A groove or slit made by a saw. B. A type of wood joint. C. A finishing technique. D. A measurement tool. Answer A. A groove or slit made by a saw. 24. Which type of wood joint is commonly used for joining the rails and stiles of a frame? A. Mortise and tenon joint. C. Lap joint. D. Miter joint. Answer D. Miter joint. 25. What is the purpose of a card scraper in carpentry? A. Shaping curves. B. Smoothing surfaces. C. Removing excess glue. D. Creating dovetail joints. Answer B. Smoothing surfaces. Thank you for watching.